Hi, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alyssa Cotten. I do videos on self-help, mental health, and motivation. And in today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm doing a first impressions of the new iPhone 12 mini. I'm super excited because it's been 4 years since I got a new phone. My old phone here is the iPhone 7. So I got that back in 2016. So I've had it for a really long time, and it wasn't functioning the way I needed it to function anymore. So I upgraded to the iPhone 12 mini, and I'm gonna go over my first impressions. I'm also gonna go over, as a mental health provider, how this new phone is actually super beneficiary to mental health. So stay tuned to the end to get all the tips on how the new iPhone mini 12 can help with your mental health. So first off, obviously it's way smaller. The new phone is super small. I can fit it in my hand, and the iPhone 7 I could fit in my hand too, but once I put a case on it, I ended up needing one of those pop sockets to be able to hold it, to be able to kind of text with the one thumb. And with the new iPhone 12 mini, I can super easily text with one hand. And with the iPhone 7, I was having to move the keyboard over to be able to text with one thumb. And with this new iPhone 12, I can actually text with the whole keyboard, with the whole system and the whole setup right there. Another bonus of the iPhone 12 mini is the screen quality. So I do telehealth sessions, and so the telehealth sessions have been so much better quality. I've had this phone for a week and I've been able to use it at work. I've been able to talk with it, better quality, send better videos. If anyone's ever used any of those telehealth platforms, or even the social media therapy where you can text your therapist, send them a video, or they can send you a video back, this is way better quality. So actually what can happen is I can see the facial expressions way better because the quality of the camera is so much more sharp. It's more, I think it's the pixels that allow it to pick up the facial expression. So I'm able to see my clients' facial expressions way clearer, way better. And because it's the new phone, it's able to sync to 5G. And where I live in Alaska, 5G is pretty spotty, but in the areas that I am able to get 5G, the speed and the quality of my telehealth sessions are so much better. Even just my FaceTime sessions are so much better. A con of this phone is the battery life. Because it's a smaller phone, it has a smaller battery capacity, and so I do notice that when I am using it for telehealth sessions or even FaceTime, it ends up using about 20 to 30% of the battery for just like an hour and a half session, which is kind of concerning because I use it all day long. But it is nice because it's super lightweight and I can hold it in my hand the entire session. I am also able to charge it while I use it at the same time too, which is super convenient and easy. Because the phone is so lightweight, I'm able to hold it throughout the day, text with one hand, and the cases are super thin. In my old phone, I didn't have a really thin case. I had a pretty bulky case. It was one of those screen Lumi selfie where you can take a picture of yourself and have your own lighting on it. So it was a little bit thicker, a little bit more bulkier. And so with the new iPhone 12, I've been able to get a smaller case because how thin it is. So another perk of the new iPhone 12 mini is the audio. The audio is so crisp, it's so clean, which allows for really quality meditation. A lot of times when I'm listening to meditations or I'm doing meditations, the people's voice tends to be way quieter than the music behind them anytime there's a guided meditation. And so the audio is able to pick up all those small sounds, those small nuances, and pick it up. And so when I'm meditating, I can actually hear the guided meditation a lot clearer, a lot crisper, and it feels just higher quality, which makes me feel more relaxed, more grounded, and more centered as I'm meditating throughout the day. So now let's talk about the benefits for mental health. So some of these tips are iOS friendly and some of them are specific to the iPhone 12 mini. A nice thing with the size of this is I'm pretty much not going to use this to stream movies, to stream TV, which means I'm going to be off my phone more likely. I'm going to say it's too small to stream. It's kind of small. You can watch YouTube on it, but I prefer to put it away and watch TV on my TV or on my tablet. So it actually helps me stay off my phone a little bit more frequently than just trying to kind of watch and kind of stream. You can definitely watch YouTube and stream movies on it. It's just a little bit smaller screen. And the nice thing though about me upgrading from the 7 to the 12 is that even though the phone is a little bit smaller, the screen sizes are bigger because we no longer have that home button, and the white part is now gone from the iPhone 12 mini. So that's kind of been a huge upgrade. Another upgrade is the speed. Obviously, everything is way quicker, way more efficient. With the new iOS update, I can make a shortcut right on the home page for all of my mental health apps. So my breathing apps, my meditation apps, anything that helps me with grounding, staying focused, anything that helps me connect with my clients that I'm working with, I can have that on the home page as a shortcut to have quick, easy access to either find some tips or find some resources of need. So I've just had my phone just for a week and I already love it. If you're on the fence of whether you should get it, if you're on the fence of upgrading or getting that smaller phone, I totally recommend getting this phone because again, it's just the perfect size. It really reminds me of like the iPhone 5 where it's got the edges that are a little bit more flat. It just seems a little bit more user-friendly in my hands, and I feel like it's a little bit more portable. It just seems way more manageable for me, and with the mental health benefits and the tips that I'm able to incorporate in my everyday life, it just seems pretty in tune with what I need and what my services are for my work and what I'm using for my business and what I'm using for all my different areas. Comment below, are you going to upgrade to the iPhone 12 mini or do you already have the iPhone 12 mini? Also, for those of you who are new to my channel, I have a guide up here for anxiety management, find your inner compass, total life transformation, a guide to manage your anxiety. Also, if you like this video or you learned something new, definitely give me that thumbs up. I do videos out every single Monday on self-help, mental health, and motivation. Again, you can follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle, Alyssa_Cotten. And thank you for staying to the end. Thank you. Have a great day.